Are you circumcised?
Show me one verse in the Bible that says that.
Are you circumcised?
Can you find anything
Why
in
not?
the Bible?
Why are you not
Now
circumcised?
here we go. Is that the only error?
A woman should be
Is that
seen
the
and not
only
heard.
time?
The Bible says a woman should be seen and not heard. So zip it, zip it, zip it. It says it. It says it. In the Bible, a woman should be seen. Look at you. A woman should be seen
Thank
and not
God
heard.
we let our women speak.
Hallelujah.
Did Paul let women speak?
Doesn't matter. A woman should be seen
Did
and not
Paul
heard.
make Priscilla the head of the church in Rome? But Paul said in Corinth, women cannot speak in Corinth. So, nothing what was happening between Corinth and Rome.
Will you kiss my ass if I show you? No, you were wrong. Kiss my ass if I show you? Please. Will you kiss my ass if I show you?
You're being vulgar.
Will you? I'm vulgar. You're a coconut. You're a coconut. You're a coconut. You are a coconut. You are a coconut. You're a coconut. You are a coconut.
I'm a coconut. You're nothing.
You're a slave master. You're a slave master. He beat the shit out of you to believe in what you're believing in. Yes, he did. Your name, he beat the shit out of you. What's your name? What's your name?
That was not
What's your name?
What's
your name?
Paul says in
What's
Corinth,
your
we
name?
lead with Corinth, right? That was only for the church in Corinth. But we do not apply that to
You don't like
Galatia.
it?
We do not apply that to
don't like it? There's a
Ephesus.
game.
We do not apply that to Philippi. We certainly don't apply that to Rome. That's the beauty of the Bible. It fits and contextualizes the message depending on where you are. And you do that with the Quran.
One challenge for the Bible.
What does the Quran say about women in the Quran? What does it say?
Oh yeah, bring it on. 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 What was Hyde Park used for in the old days? What was Hyde Park used for?
Let's start with Surah 4, Ayah 3. Surah 4, Ayah 3. It says a man can have up to how many wives?
Why aren't you covered? Why are you not covered? Why don't you go, old man, over there? Go on, start with it. Go on, man. Stop my face. Get in my face. Get in my face. I can't go in your
Hold on a minute. So a man can marry up to 2 or 3 or 4 women. One man, 4 wives. Can a woman have 4 husbands?
No. Do you know the record? Why? Do you know why?
Does it allow a woman to have 4 husbands? How many wives did Muhammad have?
11.
12 wives. So Muhammad didn't even follow his own Quran. So the revelation is for everybody but Muhammad. Now let me ask you, is there any other prophet in the Bible that does not follow his revelation?
Yeah.
Are you
Yes, I am.
Are you where?
Yes, I am.
Solomon had 600 wives
I'm an American.
and
We all
300
get
concubines.
Fuck the Americans! Fuck the Americans!
But here we go.
Fuck the
Let me
Americans!
go.
Ramesses had
According to the Quran, a man can have up to 4 wives, but not the other way
What about the
around.
Mormons?
Is that
What about the Mormon Christians?
Is that equal?
What about the Mormons?
So inequality already in marriage, right? Inequality in marriage. Now let's look at verse 11. Surah 4, Ayah 11. What does it say about inheritance? Now we're talking about death. What happens when the father dies and the girl and the boy? What do they get each?
What about the Mormon Christians? What about the Mormon Christians? They follow the Bible.
And if there is only one, or it's half, and for one's parents, or each of them,
Speak English, not Spanish.
Why are you being rude? Why are you being rude to me?
Why? She doesn't talk right here. I don't understand. I don't understand. No, listen to it. Don't tell me to fuck off. Don't tell me to fuck off. Don't tell me to fuck off. Don't tell me if you don't like it.
We know
She
it.
gets half of that.
Don't tell me to fuck off.
Boy gets twice as much as the girl.
Listen, man.
So we object.
He's a American Jew. He's a guest house. He's a Jew, American Jew. He's a guest house
What
worker.
about during the marriage?
Yeah.
Look at Surah 4, Ayah 34. Surah 4, Ayah 34.
Christian. How many wives and women have? They marry each other. They marry each other. They marry each other. The Mormons. What about the Mormons? What about the Mormons?
Those women who are arrogant, what is supposed to happen to those women? Advise them first. Don't do it again. Okay? If that doesn't work, what are you supposed to do next? Oh, throw them out of the bed. Hold on a minute. Now, Hatun. What is the reason to have a wife? Is to have child, right? Be childbearing. To take care of the husband. That's one of the most important reasons to have a wife. So if you throw her from the bed, what happens to her? She can't have children. That's pretty serious.
Tell me how to make a
Much
child.
more serious than just say, don't do it again. Right?
Stupid people. Oh, you should.
So we have
What do you know?
somewhat
What do you know?
very serious admonition, don't do it again. If it doesn't